We always say it, these cars are physically impossible to go and buy new. This one was just registered at the end of June, so it is in a new condition with delivery miles on. This is a 3-litre diesel Land Rover Defender 90. It's an SE X-Dynamic model, and it's the 250 engine in Santorini black. I don't need to talk about its condition. It's new, it smells new inside, but it's got some key features. The X-Dynamic gives it the extra styling, the metal badges, the metal bottom section, all brushed aluminium in like a dark effect. It's stunning. 20-inch wheels, opening sunroof. It's got the comfort and convenience pack, which gives it wireless phone charging and a refrigerator. It's got a heated steering wheel, it's got side steps. It looks amazing, and it's just a ridiculous opportunity to buy one of these that you cannot buy from a Land Rover dealer. So let's talk about the engine first. It's a 3-litre diesel engine. It's 250 brake horsepower. Obviously this car is a short wheelbase, so it's just a little bit lighter. It drives so well. You'll see this car's also got all-terrain tyres on, which I think just beefs it up a little bit, especially with those 20-inch wheels in like a satin anthracite colour. It's stunning. Other features from the exterior, you'll see privacy glass, fixed side steps, roof rails. Round the back, you'll see the X-Dynamic styling features continue. That is the metal bottom section. You've got towing eyes, both sides. And then in the 90, a little bit of boot space. It is a 5-seater, but it is a great vehicle, off-road or on-road. They make a great family vehicle. LED square lights to the rear. The X-Dynamic comes with the painted bottom sections, painted arches, painted door handles, and this one being an SE has keyless entry. Looking into the mirror, you'll see we have lane departure warning, electric memory seat, Meridian sound system. I've already mentioned some of the other features like the heated steering wheel, like comfort and convenience, but the biggest one on these is really the panoramic sunroof. It's black on black, so Santorini on the outside, black, half leather, and the very hard wearing fabric that they use on these seats. Keyless start. Great noise to these diesel engines. It doesn't even sound like a diesel when you start it up. If we look at the steering wheel, it's brand new, this car. 266 miles on the clock. Heated steering wheel, lane departure and cruise, and your Bluetooth and stereo controls on the left hand side. Then we've got this touchscreen interface with media, navigation, all your 4-wheel drive and off-road settings, weight sensor, wheel info, energy impact. It is very clever the way this system operates. Wireless phone charging, we've got wireless CarPlay, and then popping it into reverse, you'll see we've got the reversing camera 360, and then the very impressive 3D surround view camera system. Heated front and rear screens, heated side windows, heated front seats. I mentioned the heated steering wheel, and under here we've got a refrigerator with LED lighting, and you've got your wireless phone charging. In a new condition, jumping out, I'm going to put the lights on because I haven't mentioned it before. Because it's an SE, it has got the matrix LED lights to the front, again making a big difference when you're driving around for aesthetics purposes, but also really the lights are incredible to use, and what a car it is. In a new condition, this D250 X-Dynamic SE goes on the website now. It has done 250 miles on a 22 plate, registered only a few weeks ago. Thanks for watching.